Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to create a Telegram channel. Firstly, open your Telegram app on your device. Tap the pencil icon located at the bottom right of the interface to start creating a channel. From the new message section, choose new channel to proceed. Enter a name for your channel, then optionally add a description explaining the purpose or type of content for your channel. Tap the tick icon at the top right corner to save these details. Select the contacts you want to add as members and tap the arrow icon at the bottom right corner to finalize the process. Your Telegram channel is now live. You can customize it further by adding profile picture, managing admin roles, and adjusting channel settings. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.